Hey everyone, today we'll be doing the dryer vent cleaning, and I bought this dryer vent cleaning brush from Amazon. Let's see how it works. So basically you connect this to this based on the length and based on the resistance when it goes in. So let's see how much will I be able to get today. So this is the last piece which I connected, which will go towards the drill, and I made a big loop, as you can see. And now let's get it connected. Make sure when you go in, it's always clockwise, so make sure the setting is clockwise. And now I'm putting in, so you will put in as long as you don't feel the resistance, you keep pushing in. So as you can see, this is going pretty nicely. There's no resistance, I'm assuming, because my dryer and washer are all the way towards the other end of the house. So this is where the resistance stops. So I'll go ahead and get started. Overall, it did a good job. It did remove decent amount, not much. So I will do the same from the inside.